Pro derivative traders trade multi-leg option strategies. Want to know how? In this video, you will know how to build, analyze, execute, and track multi-leg strategy. Log in to HDFC SKY and go to Option Trading Platform. Go to Options Chain and build a multi-leg strategy. Like buy Nifty 21,600 call and sell Nifty 21,700 call. Add both the legs to the basket. Then click on View Basket. You will then be redirected to the order execution page. Before executing the trade, click on Analyze to know your risk and rewards. Once you analyze, name the strategy and execute both the option legs in just a single click. Yes, we executed both the legs at once. Don't you want to track profit or loss and manage the trades together like a pro? Track combined profit or loss and manage multi-leg option strategies together. You can square off both the legs in a single click. Get ready to trade futures and options like a pro. Explore the option trading platform on HDFC SKY today.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.